system. BlackBerry operating system is the proprietary mobile operating system that was developed by Research in Motion for its BlackBerry line of smartphone handheld devices. This operating system provides multitasking and supports specialized input devices that have been adapted by RIM for use in its handhelds, particularly the trackwheel, trackball, and most recently the trackpad and touchscreen. The implementation of BlackBerry operating system is done by using the C++ language, and this OS have a Java-based kernel type. And the advantage of this OS is the third-party developers can write software using the available BlackBerry API classes. There are different versions available in BlackBerry operating system. They are Pearl, Pearl Flip, Curve, Curve 2, Pearl 3G, Curve 3G. And this is a preview of BlackBerry operating system. So let's move on to the next operating system. The Symbian operating system. Symbian operating system is an open source operating system that is currently maintained by Nokia company.
Actually, this Symbian platform is the successor to Symbian operating system and Nokia Series 60. Unlike Symbian operating system, which needed an additional user interface system, Symbian includes a user interface component based on S60 5th edition.
Actually, Symbian operating system was originally developed by Symbian Limited. The Symbian platform was created by merging and integrating software assets contributed by Nokia, NTT Docomo, Sony Ericsson and Symbian Limited. There are 4 versions were released since their original release. They are Symbian 1, Symbian 2, Symbian 3 and Symbian 4.
The Symbian 1 version is the first release of Symbian operating system. This forms the basics for the platform. Symbian 2 was the first royalty-free version of Symbian operating system. While portions of Symbian 2 are EPL licensed, most of the source code is under the proprietary SFL license and available only to members of Symbian Foundation on June 1st of 2010. A number of Japanese companies including Docomo and Sharp announced smartphones using Symbian version 2. Symbian 3 was announced on 50th February 2010. It was designed to be a more next-generation smartphone platform. The Symbian 3 release introduced new features such as a new 2D and 3D graphic architecture and user interface improvements and support for external display through HDMI. Symbian 4 was expected to be released in the first half of 2011. However, Nokia announced in October 2010 that Symbian 4 will not ship as a separate release. Instead, improvements to Symbian will be delivered as software updates to all current Symbian 3 devices. Symbian OS contains several layers. They are User Interface Framework Layer, Application Services Layer, Operating System Services Layer, Base Services Layer, Kernel Services and Hardware Interface Layer. The Symbian operating system is developed by using Symbian C++ language. But there is a problem occurred when implementation of this OS by using Symbian C++ language. That is, this Symbian C++ requires the use of special technique such as descriptors, active objects, and cleanup stack. This can make even relatively simpler programs harder to implement than in other environments. So to overcome that problem, now the implementation language of Symbian OS is the C++ language. And Symbian OS can also be programmed by using Python language, Java Me, Flashlight, Ruby, .NET. And this is a preview of Symbian operating system.
So that's the end of this video tutorial. Thank you very much.